The answers to converting these binary numbers to decimal numbers are 10 is equivalent to the number 2, 01 is equivalent to the number 1, 101 is equivalent to the number 5, and 10000 is equivalent to the number 16. If you got all of those right, go ahead and go on to the next video. If not, keep listening and I'll explain how this works. So for this first number, 10, remember we're going to take each place value. So we have 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1. We only need 2 places because we have just a 1 and a 0. A 1 and a 0 right here. So the first place and the second place. We have our first place here and our second place here. So 2 to the 0 is equivalent to 1. 2 to the 1 is equivalent to 2. But because we have a 0 in this last place here, the 2 to the 0 place, that means, here I'll write it in a different color, our binary number is 1 and 0. Because there is a 0 here, that means we don't count this number. Because there's a 1 here, it means we count one of these. So we have 1, 2, and no 1s, and that makes a total of 2. Okay, let's talk about the next one. So on this next one, we're going to use the same 2 place values, a 1 place value and another place value. So we're still going to be talking about 2 to the 0, which is 1, and 2 to the 1, which is 2. But this time, we have a 0, 1 as our binary number. So when we have a 0, 1 as our binary number, this time we need 1 of this, so 1, 1, and no 2s. So really this 0 in the front doesn't make a difference for us. We could actually ignore it and just write a 1 if we were writing the binary number. So that means, since we have no 2s and 1, 1, our number should be 1. For the next number, 101, we're going to need another place value. We have 2 place values up here, but we're going to need a third. So we're going to have 2 squared, which is 4. And now let's look at which ones of these we need. So our binary number is 101, 1, 1, no 2s, and 1, 4. So that ends up looking like 4 plus a 1, which makes 5. Okay, so for this next number, we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 place values. Let's see if I can get rid of some of this. Okay, so let me just start over. So we have 2 to the 0, that's the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, it's a 5, and equivalent to 1, 2, 4, 8, oops, oh goodness gracious. That should have been a 4. And that'll be a 16. 2 to the 4th is 16. So when we're talking about a 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, we're only going to count this first number, but not any of the other numbers. So we end up just with 16.